Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to switch Gemini to Google Assistant. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To switch from Gemini back to Google Assistant on your Android phone like a Pixel or a Samsung, then what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Gemini application. Then be sure to be logged into your account if you aren't. Then once logged in, you'll be seeing your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Then simply tap on that. And now I'm tapping, you'll be provided with bunch of options like Gemini apps activity, saved info, updates and privacy help hub. Under it you'll find the option that says settings. Simply select that. Now on selecting it, what you need to do is scroll down until you find digital assistants from Google option and tap on that. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose Google Assistant from the list instead of Gemini. Then once you do that, your default assistant will now be Google Assistant, not Gemini. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.